And here we go, a little quick lesson on how to build on uneven terrain. It's super simple. To make it a little easier, you want to put your items you're using onto your hotbar. So click them and then click down on your hotbar spot. And once you have them all down, we're going to set down a foundation. And you can look, it's a little uneven right there, and you're thinking maybe I could put one there, and you can't. You see it won't snap into place, but it snaps beside it, so let's put a second one beside it. But we really want to build out. So we're going to use the ceilings. See how the ceiling just snaps right on there? Then you want to make it even further out. You want to make it further out, and it won't go because there's no support. You've got to have some sort of support to hold it. So we'll use a pillar. And if you kind of look down, the pillar will be underneath it and not sticking out too far. So you put more ceilings out because you want to go out further. And again, pillar, sort of look down to make it go a little further down so it's not poking out the top. And it does have to actually touch the ground in order to count as a foundation part. And put one more ceiling up there. You can see it's supported, so you have a floor, but you don't have to have the foundation, so you can build over the uneven ground. And you can make these as tall as you want. Make them 30 pillars tall, I think, if you wanted to, and have a really tall house. You can see here, this is what we mean when they say snap. You can see the wall sort of snaps into place and goes there, and it won't go over there, but it snaps to there. That's snapping. And you can make this as wide as well. You just have to keep adding the pillars to support whenever it tells you it doesn't have any support. Just back up one and put some more pillars down. And then you'll be able to build. And if you want to make a second floor, sometimes you can just do this. Or you can just add walls up and add some ceilings on top of the walls. And you can see, if you take this one out here, it's still supported by the one on the end. But if you take this pillar, you can see it all fell down. It's the same as if you actually went over here and deleted these foundations over here. If you delete the foundations, everything would fall because there's no pillars holding it up. That's it.